Boss was founded in the 1950s as a service organization for existing homogenizer machines. Well-known brands for which Boss provided parts and service back then include Gollan, SPX, APV, and Rani. Incidentally, Boss still works with these brands today. Homogenizer machines can sometimes be 30 to 40 years old. So Boss is also skilled at overhauling old machines. How does the process work at Boss? It starts with sales closing an order with the customer. This order contains the machine's specifications, with the most important characteristics being the amount of liquid that needs to be processed per hour and at what pressure, or bar. These specifications are discussed with the engineering department, which then creates a design based on them. Next, production creates parts based on this design, and in some cases parts are purchased because third parties can produce these parts better, faster, or more economically. As soon as all parts are available, the assembly department will put the machine together. Once the machine is assembled, it is tested, and then the engineering department prepares the user manual and the description of the parts. A toolbox with special tools is always supplied with the machine. The next step is to contact the carrier for the transport of the machine. The necessary transport documents are prepared and the machine is loaded. When the machine arrives at the location, it is usually installed by a partner company. If necessary, the customer's employees are instructed on how to best operate the Boss homogenizing machine. That is not all. Often, a preventive service contract is agreed upon with the customer. Just like with cars, it is important that our machines always work. For this, certain parts need to be replaced on time. It is better to replace these parts preventively. In this way, the customer can continuously make use of the high quality of the Boss machine.